Right, so the studio's undergone a massive reorganization, mainly due to 4 new tables which I have built at woodworking class, and they've changed my life. They've changed the life of the studio. It means that they can move around properly without things falling off. Every time I used to move them, they'd collapse. They didn't have proper wheels on, but these have real, excuse my French, but kick-ass wheels with brakes. And over here, during the shift around, it meant that I moved my shop, which is now over here. Which is which? It just looks like it belongs there. It should have always been there. It kind of makes sense for it to be there. And this is another project I did in woodworking class as well, which is on the blog if you want to have a look at how it looked before and after. The shop was over here, and this is a much more functional use of the space. Now we're going into Studio 2 that hasn't got new tables, but as a consequence I have put up some new shelving, and my aim was to get benches clear, have benches clear for people to create at. This is a rare glimpse into Book Art Studios in tidy mode, and I basically found just about all my glasses during the tidy up. Over here is the sewing machine section and a bench I rescued from the tip and did a little zhuzhing up with new planks on. There were no planks on there. Sprayed it and did it up. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it there, but I actually quite enjoy it. And then through to my office, which has also been tidied up as well. And just these little shelves again, it's just, they're not the best. They're not great, but they're not great workwomanship, but it keeps everything up. Oh, I put another one up as well over here. I am getting there. I think that this is the most, I don't think it is the most organized I've ever been for this studio. I'm just sitting on my bench. There you go. I'm getting readier and readier for the book launch on November the 8th. Whew. Job well done, me, thanks.